In today's lesson, this is lesson number 2 on how to reverse diabetes without the use of harmful drugs nor medication. Continue on with our series, and thank you guys once again for joining me on this journey. And today what we're going to be learning is what we are not being told about diabetes. The first thing that I want to start off with is the complications of diabetes. I don't think that doctors do a good enough job with explaining diabetes to their patient. And I think most patients, when they have diabetes, they just think that, okay, it's a disease that I'm going to have, and I'm going to have it for the rest of my life, but they don't understand the seriousness of the complications about diabetes. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at not just the complications, but some other things as well. And some of these complications that you will get from diabetes, you will have issues with your brain, you'll have issues with your teeth, such as tooth decay and nerve problems, and eye problems such as retinopathy, cataracts, and glaucoma. You have heart issues, artery issues, kidney problem. All of these problems, guys, you will have from having diabetes. And if these problems continue for a long period of time, diabetes will lead to death, okay? Because after having it for such a long time, all doctors can do is increase your medication or put you on new medication, but that does not fix the problem. It only slows down the inevitable. So it only slows it down, but at the end of the day, diabetes will lead to death if not managed and controlled properly. The next thing is that we have been told that type 2 diabetes is not reversible. Guys, I want to tell you that type 2 diabetes is 100% reversible. In many cases, you can reverse it in as little as, we're talking about anywhere between 6 to 8 months, depending on how long you've had the disease. Now, let me balance this out just a little bit for you, because your doctor may be telling you that it's once you have diabetes, you'll have it for the rest of your life, and this is just a disease you're going to have to live with for the rest of your life. Now, that is true to a certain extent. That's true, because in today's day and ages, when an individual have diabetes, they go to their doctor and the doctor gives them medication, and they will have to remain on that medication for the rest of their life. That's true. So with modern medicine, type 2 diabetes you will have it for the rest of your life. It cannot be reversed with modern medicine. But because knowledge have increased, and we know a lot more than what we knew 50, 60 years ago. We know that type 2 diabetes is 100% reversible if you do the right things, okay? And this is what this short series is for, is to get you in the process, get you in the mindset as well of doing the right things, okay? So it is reversible, 100% reversible, okay? If you get rid of the fat, guys, okay, if you get rid of the fat, you will reverse the diabetes. I'm going to let that sink in. Get rid of the fat and reverse your type 2 diabetes. Guys, most of the time we've been told that diabetes is too much sugar in the bloodstream, which is true. But there's a little trick to this whole thing, guys, and you will see. So what I'm saying is, if you get rid of the fat, you reverse your diabetes. there is a body of research out there that is showing that diabetes has a twin cycle hypothesis. And what that means, guys, is diabetes is not just a problem of the pancreas, but it's also a problem in the liver. Too much fat accumulated in the liver, which causes the liver to malfunction, which causes the pancreas to malfunction, and it's a cascade of event which is downhill from there. So now I'm introducing a new idea to you that it's a twofold. It's not just the pancreas issue, which that plays a part, but it's also a liver problem as well. So if you get rid of the fat, you will reverse the diabetes. And the only way to get rid of the fat, guys, is by lifestyle modification, which we will be talking about later on. All right?